Okay, so today we're going to talk about the interview process. I broke it down in 3 simple categories: pre-interview, during the interview, and post-interview. Hopefully these steps can help you succeed in an interview with a possible employer. So for the first step is the pre-interview. Preparation is key when preparing for an interview. Some of the things you should do are highly recommended, or study the company, see what their goals and what they plan to achieve as a company, and see if that fits your skill set and what you want to accomplish as well. You should know or have really good knowledge about the position you're applying for. If there's a certain skill that they're asking for and you have it, you should definitely notify them this, and it could help make you a better candidate. Very important is to bring a copy of an updated resume to the interview. They may already have it on file, but it shows that you're well prepared. We'll bring another copy as well. A very important step, and I think the most important, is to run a mock interview, whether that's with a friend, family member. Practice makes perfect for just anything in general, and if you're sitting there one-on-one with someone before going into a actual interview, I think it could help you stay more relaxed and be prepared for different questions. Looking the part is key. So even if the job is not, something incredibly high ranking, you should always come well dressed, shirt and tie for men, and dress or a nice suit for women. Come, well groomed, hair done, clean shaven. And arriving early is highly recommended. And a quote that one of my teachers once told me: if you're early, you're on time, and if you're on time, you're late. So I recommend showing probably about 15 minutes prior to the interview. Shows punctuality, and if you show up late, employers will not like that, and could definitely affect you before you even get asked a question. Okay, and now here's some steps and tips to have during the interview. Good impression. So when you arrive, make sure you greet them nice and firm with the handshake. Introduce yourself, and have proper manners. Show respect during the interview. Speak in a professional manner. Speak with energy and tone that shows how you are interested in the position. These are some steps that you should definitely take. Being confident. So show that you're engaged in the conversation with the employer. Sit down straight, and answer the questions in a right manner. Even if you get stuck, it's fine. You could take a breath and relax, and don't leave any questions unanswered. If you get stumped, I'm sure they won't mind if you just take a quick little breath and answer their question. The worst thing to do is just kind of go around the question. These are some some things I have run into in the past. And our final area is post-interview, something that I think a lot of people tend to skip and will forget that this is something that actually is pretty important. So after your interview, you should follow up with the person that interviewed you or someone that works for the company. Ask the status, possibly. Sometimes you may not get the job, but if you show interest post-interview, I'm pretty sure that employers will keep your name on file, and it will show that you didn't quit, and that's something they tend to like. And like I said, I'm pretty confident that people tend to skip this step, and this is something that is key because it shows that you didn't just show up for an interview and left. It shows that you really want to work for this company, and possibly down the line, if another position opens up that's similar, they can remember you and have your name on file and call you back, and gives you better chance of possibly getting a job. So those are the final step. That's the end of the presentation. The key is stay relaxed, show up on time, be prepared, and if you don't get the job, don't be discouraged. Stay engaged with the company still if you can, and hopefully down the line, if another position to open up, you can receive that position. And that's it.